and welcome to DC Velocity's From the Show Floor coverage at Promat 2023. I'm Susan Lacefield, and we are here today in the JR Automation booth with Corey Perufo, who is the Senior Product Development Engineer for the company. Corey, thanks for joining us today.
Thanks for having me.
So, Corey, for those of our viewers who aren't familiar with JR Automation, can you tell us a little bit about what the company does and what value you bring?
Yeah, absolutely. So JR Automation is a custom systems integrator here in the U.S. What does that mean? It really means that we integrate all these fantastic technologies you see at the show together, package them up, control them, and put them together in one really nice and reliable turnkey solution for our end customers.
And as an integrator, what are you showing here today?
Yeah, absolutely. So we're showcasing a number of technologies in our booth today. So primarily we're showcasing collaborative robotics, which is a really big industry push, right? That human-machine interface. We're showcasing an AGV interacting with these robots, which uses natural feature navigation to do so. That's pretty novel in the fact that we're achieving sub 10 millimeter resolution on that AGV to get those robots placing accurately. That AGV also has obstacle avoidance, so it's sometimes acting like an AMR, which is some next generation technology. And lastly, that AGV on board has actually a Beckhoff IPC using a BSD hypervisor. That's allowing us to run both a safety PLC and the navigation software two-in-one in one package, really helping to reduce hardware cost and complexity.
Okay, so that's the technology kind of behind the machine, making sure everything is safe and the navigation is happening accurately.
Yeah, absolutely.
And this is all a model, right?
Absolutely. This is a technology demonstrator for us. We're just showcasing to our customers or our potential end users, you know, what is possible in this day and age and generation, right?
Excellent. You want to take a look at what's going on behind the screen?
Sure. So we've got a number of interesting things coming on back here. We can see the live view of what the AGV is seeing at any given time. We're also showcasing TC HMI, one of Beckhoff's products. That is a web-based HMI that you can access, you know, from anywhere as long as you're connected to the wireless network. So we can showcase our machine and Beckhoff technologies all in one.
And is this a view that someone who is working in the warehouse would look at to kind of look at what's going on in the operation?
Yeah, absolutely. So right here on this screen, I can see what's happening on the machine, or if I go into status, I can dive down right into the AGV status itself. So all of that accessible at an operator's fingertips.
Excellent. What sort of solutions are you particularly fond of working on as far as putting these machines into process?
Yeah, so JR specializes in the weird, the wacky, and the wild. So if you have a weird custom solution, a weird product, or a weird process that's really specific to you, we are the absolute specialists in helping you out with that. We want those weird projects and those weird products. We want to take a look at those solutions and find you the right combination of truly industry partners, bring those together to give you your reliable end user process.
And is this very representative of some of the projects you're doing? Are you combining robotic arms and AGVs together in the warehouse?
Yeah, absolutely. So this actually collaborative robotics and AGVs is really coming onto the marketplace today. That human-machine interface, really making humans, because of the staffing shortages, do the value-added tasks, right? Those really manual tasks that only a human can do, and taking them out of the menial tasks like transporting goods or picking and placing and those kinds of operations. So, you know, these are really becoming popular in the industry today because of those staffing shortages.
Excellent. And Corey, for those of us who are at the show and want to hear more of what you have to say, where can they find you?
Yeah, come visit me or any of my colleagues here at booth N8125 in the North Hall. Or if you're not here at the show with us today, visit us online at jrautomation.com.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.